Lindsey and I are taking a little mini vacation just for 2 days. Unfortunately, it's pouring out, and it's gonna be like this for 2 days, and where we're going is also pouring in thunderstorms, and it's a shame because originally we had planned it around a lot of outdoor activities, walking around little shops. We're heading up to Portland, Maine.
Doing it for the vlog.
Never open the curtains quickly enough to do that that shot. I can never find where it opens. We made it. Vacation.
Yay, look at how long this list of restaurants is. Wait, there's a back. What? Also, it's wine week. Nailed it. Huh?
Why don't you tell us?
Oh, I didn't know I was still on camera. Hello.
Yes, you're still on camera.
Hello. Beautiful people.
So you picked this vacation as you tend to. Why are we here? What are we doing?
Eating a lot of lobster, and we were gonna see the beach, but it's raining, so maybe not so much.
There's so much rain and fog.
And we partially picked it because we have hotel points. So
we have a huge room. Check this out. It's like it's a giant room. Guess we're out of luck. On a walk?
Oh, lately, I've been caught up in my mind. Oh, it's not hard to see why I was feeling that. You saw right through it all. Oh, I could not fake it.
This is what tourism looks like. Sweetie, I found your souvenir.
oh my god, these are perfect. Yeah, these are super cute.
What do you think that means?
I have no idea.
Well, it's not raining in here, so let's go find out. How's your day so far?
Good. Got my coffee, got a comic book. It's raining, but I'm running in between the raindrops, so that's good. And now we're gonna go back to the hotel for a little bit, and then we're gonna find a place later to eat and drink and hang out, so. Yay.
You want to show them the comic books that you got?
So this one's Brian's.
Ooh.
I guess technically it's a graphic novel.
Yeah.
And this one's mine, but I'm sure I'll be sharing it with him.
Yay.
And then this one, which I'm excited about, is a vintage-ish Disney one. Look at how cute Uncle Scrooge goes to Disneyland. So
You look so excited.
he is so excited, and I'm excited to read about his adventures. So that's what we got.
Yeah, we found this like downstairs underground Italian restaurant and comic book store, which is back here, which is very cool. And there's all kinds of... We're waiting for a shuttle. The hotel has a complimentary shuttle that'll come drop you off and pick you up kind of anywhere, I think, within reason. So we're waiting for them to come grab us, and then we can head back to the hotel. And wasn't that an exciting story?
No, there's one over there. I'm not
It's
walking back.
so raining.
Womp, womp, womp. You should put cartoon sound effects in this video, please. Can you do that for me?
You want cartoon sound effects?
Yeah.
Boing! Womp womp. Thank you. Dinner, what'd you think about dinner?
It was really good.
She said it was really good. It was really good. But we are gonna run over to a bar. We found a local bar that's got a big, like a full jazz band. How many pieces?
19.
19-piece jazz band doing big band classics and a few special guests from the high school or something. So like, sounds like fun. Want to head over there. I thought we were going to some bar. This is way more of a thing than we were expecting. It's like a real show. This is super cool.
Here?
I don't know. Yeah, it sounds like it.
Okay. Excuse me.
What'd you think about that?
It was crazy because it's not what I was expecting, and so it was confusing. It was good, but it was confusing. And I'll tell you the whole story when I'm not in the rain.
Okay.
All right,
It's the wife.
I found a different place.
Okay. Where are we going?
I think you say Lifton Burrows. I don't know, but they're open till like 1, so we can definitely get there in time.
Cliftonborough. What do you think?
Oh my god, it's so good.
Is it really?
Yeah, I think you might like it. I don't think it's like overly sweet. You should try it. It's as described, juicy. It's juicy. It's really good, right?
That's really good, yeah. So, how's your day so far?
Good, rainy.
Rainy.
We're running in between the raindrops.
Having fun though?
Working. Got my coffee. Got a take 2.
Sneeze.
You're not leaving me in there. Go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
So, how's your day so far?
Good.